Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Jack Zach. Today we are going to be making an awesome, delicious tasting 30-minute meal I like to call chicken penne. Alright, let's go over what we're going to season our chicken with today. First off, we're going to season it with oregano, marjoram, thyme, herbs of Provence, and savory. First off, we're going to season it with our oregano. And this is my own little Italian concoction I got going on here. That's enough oregano. Now, next we got our marjoram. Let's go ahead and season that. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Now, we got our thyme. Next, we got herbs de Provence. That's a cool, I think, seasoning name. Herbs de Provence. Don't you think so? And last, we are going to season it with our savory. And these, once we get these grilled, oh man, it's gonna be amazing. And don't forget, season it with salt. Bam! Now let's go fire up that grill. While we're waiting for the grill to heat up, let's get our water boiling, and then today we're going to be using Protein Plus burrito pasta. That's 2 ounces per serving size. That's 1 gram of fat, 38 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. And for our pasta sauce, we're going to be using Classico tomato basil. Alright, we got our water boiling, time to add in our pasta. I'm going to be cooking for 2 today, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball how much I'm putting in there. So let's add in our pasta, our protein packed pasta. Add a little more. Our grill is already heated up. Let's throw on this chicken. Now with these being small tenderloins, we're probably going to do about 3 minutes aside. I'm telling you, I am pumped for today's chicken penne. I cannot wait to eat this. Check it out. Let's let these cook. Okay, 3 minutes are up. Time to flip. Yep, we're looking good. Nothing better than chicken on the grill. Let's give these bad boys another 3 minutes and we should be almost ready to eat. Our pasta is done. Time to strain. Turn the stove off. Take the pasta over to the sink. Let's get this bad boy strained. Yeah, buddy. Bring it back here. And we'll add in our tomato basil Classico pasta sauce. I am hungry. I am ready to eat. This is going to be so good. Give our noodles a stir. Alright, that should be good. And so we got about a minute left on the chicken. We'll throw in our chicken and we'll be ready to eat. Our chicken is done. Just giving this chicken just a quick chopping before we throw it into the pasta, and we will be ready to eat some chicken penne. Alright everybody, our chicken penne is finally done. We are ready to eat. I am starving. This looks amazing. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's episode of Cooking with Jack Zach, and remember, all of this was done in 30 minutes or less. Stay tuned for next time. We're another episode of Cooking with Jack Zach.